Good morning, folks. How you doing? Tom here. Yes, I know the hair is not fabulous. I haven't had a shower this morning. Got up early. I'm here at a place called Geraldton, just about 5 hours north of Perth. And I've been here before, shoot this lighthouse, but this was in the afternoon. So I thought I'd give it a crack in the morning. Couple of things to note. Great clouds. Second thing to note, sun is not up yet. Have a look at that. Just that beautiful soft light that's hitting there, okay? So people are thinking, oh, it's too dark to take photos or you need a tripod. No, I'm on like ISO 400 shooting at a 5th of a second or 15th of a second f11. So there's plenty of light around with my wide angle lens. And a couple of things I've learned more recently is that you don't have to be really close to something in order to get a good shot. I've sort of fallen into the trap of, oh, closer is better. I'm actually trying to be a bit further away. I want to show you a couple of the compositions that I've just been working on now. Let me show you. So being a bit further away just means that you can include this vegetation in the foreground. I'm going to take you right around to the lighthouse and show you why I'm further away. Okay, so there's houses over here, and I came for a bit of a walk. I'm parked over there near the lighthouse, started there. I'll show you what I did there. But what I've liked is I've kind of come in here and I've gone, oh, hold on a second, okay. And I started here and I thought, oh, I'll include some vegetation in the foreground. And I included as a vertical that succulent, cactus, whatever you want to call it, with the lighthouse in the background as a vertical. But look at it, it's got a few manky leaves and I had a look around. Oh, look, hold on a second, over here. So I came over here and had a really nice, look at this, 1, 2, 3, sort of in a zigzag shape leading up to the lighthouse, okay? That looked really nice as a vertical, 1, 2, 3. So I did that both horizontally and vertically. So if you go horizontally and sort of getting close, that's nice, you know. Don't put the lighthouse directly behind one of these. Just move a little this way and you see how it's now in the gap here. It's in the gap between these two, that's better. And getting down a bit lower, look at the way that really introduces those plants into this shot, okay? So that was pretty nice. I enjoyed that. Great vertical shot, by the way, that one. I'll see if I can splice it into the video here so you can see the finished product. And, you know, rather than thinking of these extensions of these succulents or cacti to be annoying, I actually thought I'd include those as part of the photo. So let me show you here. Starting to get the belts of Venus here, which is indicating that the sun's probably only about 5 minutes away. So that's the shadow of the Earth in the atmosphere. That's the dark patch there towards the horizon, and then the bright patch there is where the sun's already shining on the atmosphere. So you can see there, you could include, you know, these parts to frame the lighthouse as well, okay? Not my favorite shot, to be honest. I think it distracts a little from the lighthouse. Okay, they're a bit too tall, okay? But then the other thing is, you see, as I get closer to this lighthouse, let me show you as a wide angle, we've got this ugly fence around it, okay? So I can't get anywhere near the base of it and shoot up at it. For example, I can't stand here and shoot a nice wide angle with those pines in the background because I've got this fence. I could, you know, stick the camera lens through there and do that. But look how much, when I get closer with the wide angle, look at how the lighthouse bends, you know? I've got that convergence of the lines there, and so that doesn't really work. But what can work is if you sort of stood underneath here and shot up like that, okay, with a wide angle, okay, both vertically and horizontally. You can get in here and shoot something like that, which looks pretty cool as well, particularly with those clouds. So I'll give that a go now with my wide angle. And the other thing I'm excited about is I just drove past an osprey's nest, which is over in the distance there, sitting on top of that post. So hopefully they're in residence and I'll go and check them out. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you later.